Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're gonna bring you guys travel to River Safari. Woo! And also go check out our previous video when we went to the zoo. Let's go! So right now we're going to River Safari after going to the zoo. The zoo was great, and to see our video, go check out our channel. So we're entering River Safari soon. We've never been to before. So this is the map. We'll start off here.
It creeps on back to shape my smile.
So these are some things about the ocean.
Music keeps me on and on. You got the feeling. The music keeps me singing. Music keeps me dancing.
The Yangtze River is India's holiest river. Yangtze is in trouble. They carelessly dump rubbish there, which I think is quite sad because the river is special. Ooh, look, so cute fishes. Hello. Oh, so Mekong River is in Vietnam? It's in many different countries. Actually, it's in Thailand, Vietnam, China, Laos, Cambodia, and Vietnam. So this is a long-tailed macaque. Oh, it's a monkey. Hello. Seems like it's having fun. So the Mekong River has been called the Amazon of Asia because it is home to some of the world's largest freshwater fish and Irrawaddy dolphin, which is critically endangered. And when this monsoon season it floods, the rice field helps it not to flood so much because the water will infiltrate in and won't cause floods to the city. Are these like the largest fish ever? Because they are gigantic. Look at this fish! There's some problems to it, you know. Actually being huge, they don't usually grow to like the biggest that they can go because of pollution and all. It's harmful to them and they don't grow to the largest that they can. These different species over here. They are really small fishes. There's one hiding in the bush here. The Yangtze River, also known as the Long River, is the longest river in Asia and third longest in the world. If you guys do like it, Give us a thumbs up so you know that we're doing well, and also subscribe to us. It will mean a lot to us, like a lot.
Gotta save me from myself. This emptiness, it hurts like hell. My good intentions let me down.
So this is the boat plaza. The reservoir cruise is currently suspended. That's the free one that they give. Okay guys, so this is a boat. It's called the Amazon River Quest. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm scared. It's like a lead. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Wow! Oh, we're going down. This is like the wait, what? I like the rip.
Do you see something large and furry? That's the giant anteater.
Cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're
Headings first, look up or the left.
gonna drown, but we both know how to swim. No worries, let's feel for.
If you turn to
Let's
your
take
left,
it
you'll
slow.
see the green flamingo.
Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it.
Explorers, are you ready? We're about to come face to face with the most feared predator on the world.
You're with me. Let's take it.
Okay, recommend this 1,000 times. I recommend this Amazon River Quest like so much. I love it. You have to pay, but I think it's really worth it. Squirrel Monkey Forest. So we must carry our bag like this.
Quiet's driving me insane. Silence rattles in my brain. Yeah, I gotta get away. Always waiting for the phone, so I built my towers tall, wandering through these empty halls. Breaks the cycle now. Walls are coming down. I gotta make it out. Yeah, 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 yeah. Look my fear right in the eye. I just wanna feel alive. I just wanna feel alive. I just wanna feel
It just feels as if I'm in the ocean.
I gotta save me from myself. This emptiness, it hurts like hell. My good intentions let me down. I keep getting in my way. My stubborn pride will dig my grave. Leave it behind with every step I take. Yeah, cycle down. Walls are coming down. I gotta make it out. Yeah, 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 yeah.
This is otters.
Look my fear right in the
today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And see you guys next time. Bring you guys travel again. Bye.